In this video, I'm going to show you how to use universal mark. To start, open setting. In the basic section, then click toggle switch next to universal mark to turn it on. Then select a match. I use TDM because it has universal mark. Don't go to training session because in the training session you can't find this mark. Now I'm going to assign a key. You see universal mark icon here. Then I assign P as a letter. Then I'm going to save it.
Team match, let's go.
Then I drop a weapon and I will mark it. That is my weapon. Yeah, there it is.
I got
like
supplies.
That, you can use this mark. You can use watch out or I got supplies like that. You can use this mark.
Nice
now I'm in the enemy's side.
Dead. I need a weapon. The blue team is in the lead. Watch
like
out.
that, you can use. Then I will mark this machine gun.
I got supplies.
Yeah, that's how it works. That's it. Thanks for watching.
I got supplies. I got supplies. Killing spree for the blue team.